Good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 1, that is environment, and in this lesson we have studied about the pollutions, okay, soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution, okay, and how we can control all of these pollutions. In which way we can control, we are studying still. So in the previous class we have studied about the ways to control the air pollution, the ways to control the water pollution, okay. So in today's class we are going to discuss the ways to control the soil pollution. So you know that by the activities of human we are polluting the soil. So if we are polluting the soil, then only we can control the soil pollution. So let's see what are the ways. Most of the steps that we need to take for controlling soil pollution are the same as for controlling water pollution. So most of the ways, now water pollution and ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಥರದ ವೇಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ವೇಸು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಅದಾವ, ಹೌದಾ? So which kind of things we are doing to control the water pollution? Do not throw away the garbage in the water bodies, is it? And stop washing the clothes and animals in the rivers or in the water bodies. Some kind of ways are there to control the water pollution, is it? So same things here also. Same what? Avoid using the plastics, okay, or just reduce the things, okay. Next, stop what some things are there to control the soil pollution, that you should not use the plastics, you should reduce the plastic using, is it? So the same ways that you are following to control the water pollution, do here also, okay. And next, factory waste should be reprocessed before it is released in low-lying areas. So you know that many kind of industries and factories are there in our town, is it? So firstly, you should know that all the factories and industries should be shifted out of the town, because if they are near to the town, they will harm to the animals, to the birds, to the human life also. It is very dangerous, because as they are using very harmful chemicals in their industries, so it is extremely harmful for us, okay. So next, more trees should be planted to reduce soil pollution. Yes, it is the only reason. By planting more trees you can prevent all kind of pollutions, not only soil pollution but also water pollution, also air pollution. So plant as much as you can plants to reduce the soil pollution, okay. So next, ways to control noise pollution. So already you have idea that how you can control the noise pollution by using the less vehicles, is it? By using the less vehicles you can control the noise pollution, because almost all by using the vehicles only we are polluting the noise pollution. We are doing the noise pollution by the hard sound, that is the unwanted sound. See, machinery should be designed in such a way that they make less noise. What we can do? See, we cannot say that just stop using the vehicles or stop using the machinery things. We cannot say that, because our daily life, our daily routine life is totally depend on the machines only. If you want to go from one place to another place, we have to use the vehicles, we have to use the machinery things. So we cannot say that stop using the machinery things. But what we can do is use everything in a limit. It will be good for you. And what we have to do is we should be designed. See, if someone is preparing the machinery things or vehicles, they should be designed that particular machine in such a way that they can make the less noise. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವ್ರು ಗಾಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ತಯಾರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಮಷೀನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಥರ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಮಷಿನನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೌಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾರಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ loud music and powerful stereo systems in cars are already prohibited by law. This law should be enforced more strictly. Say, there is also, say, already there is a particular rule, a law is there. What is law is there? If ನೀವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಲೌಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಹಚ್ಚಬಾರ್ದಂತ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಲಾ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜನ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ರೂಲನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು, ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನು ಲೌಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗಾಡಿ ಚಲಾಯಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫೈನ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ದಂಡನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. then only it will become very serious, is it? So, and also avoid using the vehicles which make more noise or hard sound, because as the very harsh sound is not at all safe for your ears, that is called unwanted sound. Okay, so by using such kind of ways you can control, obviously you can control the noise pollution as well you can control the soil pollution also. Okay, so no horn zones should be created near hospitals, schools, etc. See, some kind of public places are there which are very critical actually, like hospitals and schools. In schools you can see many small kids are there, is it? And hospitals you can see many serious patients are there. So if you are if you play a hard sound or a loud music in front of the school or in front of the hospitals, what will happen? In school children will become disturbed, in the hospitals patients will become more ill by listening that sound only. So you should not do that. Okay, so next, blowing of horns should be strictly prohibited there. So blowing the horns, road ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಾರ್ನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾರ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಾರ್ನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. Okay, next, planting trees and shrubs along roads, hospitals, etc. reduces noise to considerable exerts. ಸೊ ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿರಬೇಕು, 2 ways ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಒಂದು ಹೋಗು ವೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರು ವೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಎರಡೂ ರೋಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಗಿಡ ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರೆ. You can see like these roads in the towns, in the big cities only, because ನಮ್ಮೂರೊಳಗಂತೂ ಈಗ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾವಾಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವೆಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು 2 ರೋಡ್ ನಡು ಒಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಗಿಡ ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಶ್ರಬ್ಸ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಚಂದ ಕಣ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಗಾಡಿಗಳ ಓಡಾಡೋ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ವೆಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಅದನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಜನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಜನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗಾಡಿಗಳ ಸಂಚಾರ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ, ಅಂದರೆ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ by following some of the ways you can control the noise pollution. Okay, so after this we are going to discuss some of the questions which are there in the page number 109. Okay, so 4 questions are there in this yellow box. True or false is there. Okay, so let's see. State whether the following statements are true or false. If statement ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, statement true ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ true ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, false ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ false ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Okay, so let's see. First one, we should plant less trees. We should plant less trees. Second one, we should not throw garbage, throw garbage and poisonous. Third one, we should reduce the use of plastic. The last one is soil erosion. Prevented by planting more trees. Okay, so read the statements properly and write if it is true, write true, if it is false, write false. Okay, first one, we should plant less trees. Is it true? No, it is false, because we should plant more trees as much as we can. Okay. Second one, we should not throw garbage and poisonous chemicals in water bodies. Yes, it is extremely important. So it is true also. We should not throw any kind of garbages in the water bodies. It will spoil. It will pollute the water. Third one is we should reduce the use of plastic. Yes, it is extremely important. It is very important to reduce the usage of plastic. It is true. Last one, soil erosion can be prevented by planting more trees. Yes, it can. We can control the soil pollution by planting more trees. It is true. Okay. So we should plant less trees is false. We should not throw garbage and poisonous chemicals in water bodies is true. Next, we should reduce the usage of plastic is true. Soil erosion can be prevented by planting more trees is also true. Okay. So these are some questions, and here this lesson is finished. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss the question and answers of this lesson, which are there in the page number 110 and 111. Okay. If you know the answers of these questions, try to write the answers in your textbook with the help of pencil. Because why I am telling you to write the pencil by writing the pencil? Because if the answer will become wrong, then you can erase it easily. Okay. So otherwise, if you will not get the answer, anyhow I will tell you the answer in the next class. So we will discuss the remaining things in next class.